Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to discuss with you all about bronchitis. So what is meant by bronchitis? Bronchi means it's a part of the lung. Bronchi. It's a part of lung. This is lung tissue. As I told you, bronchi, these are the bronchi. There are various branches like this is primary bronchi, tertiary bronchi, all secondary bronchi. Means 1, 2, 3 like that step by step bronchioles will be there. These are the bronchioles. Bronchi. So what is meant by bronchitis? Itis means inflammation. Itis means inflammation. Inflammation means swelling. Swelling of the body tissue. Particular part will swell. Then that term, that's a medical term, we will use it as inflammation. Inflammation of the particular organ or particular body part, we will call it as swelling. So bronchitis means means inflammation happened to the bronchi, which is this is the bronchi, that is a part of the lung. This, what is the main role of the bronchi? Bronchi main role is we will take oxygen into the lungs and then it will purify and the carbon dioxide will go out of the lungs, right? So if when this inflammation happens, what will happen? The to and fro, the means if air has to enter, then that has to enter from this bronchi, then primary, secondary, tertiary, bronchioles, all this part, there will be a major role. This bronchi is a major role, it will play in the lungs, especially for entering the air from the lung, from the atmosphere into the lungs and then purify and then will go out of the lungs. So bronchi is very important in the lungs. So when bronchitis, itis I told you, it's an inflammation. Bronchi means what? This is the part of the lung. Inflammation happened to the part of this lung, that is bronchi, is called bronchitis. In bronchitis, major thing is cough. In bronchitis, major symptom is cough, continuous cough or intermittent cough, depending on the how severity is the inflammation. This bronchitis, this cough is the major symptom. And then in whoever have cough, they will cough up what? Mucus also. Mucus, it's an yellow secretion. They will cough up, lot of mucus secretion will come when bronchitis happens. This bronchitis is of two types. One is acute bronchitis. One is chronic bronchitis. Acute means what? Acute means it will come from 0 to 3 months. Just it's an acute condition means it's like a temporary condition. It's not so severe. But chronic bronchitis means what? It is so severe. Means it lasts for so many days, like it is more severe. It's a more serious condition, and more severe condition will have severe irritation of this bronchial tubes, inflammation of this bronchial lining. This is the lining. So this lining inflammation, swelling will be there, irritation will be there, and lot of mucus secretions will be secreting. All these part of the bronchitis. So bronchitis is acute or chronic, can be. Acute means it will stay only up to 0 to 3 months and it will subside. It will go on by medications or anything like that. But chronic bronchitis is mostly we will see in few kind of people, that is like smokers or like chronic alcohol, smoking, mostly smoking, because when you smoke, then all the nicotine substances will enter into the lung and more amount of carbon dioxide will be in the lungs, and then what will happen? It will not have sufficient enough pure blood supply, then will not have pure oxygen, then this bronchioles and bronchi tube, all this will swell up. That is called inflammation.